Hey y'all, so in this video I just wanted to go over basically just some basic animation principles that you can, kind of employ as you're doing this project. Now, because this project is, the focus is making it, kind of a simple, realistic scenario, not really many of the animation tactics that, are employed, in cartoons and things or in very flashy productions are necessarily used, such as having, smear frames and other different, tactics going off model. Everything you have, is pretty on model for the sake of consistency, but, if perhaps, the animation did need to get a bit more dramatic, or something, even just to add realism to it by kind of showing, the weight and different things of the character or how it's, moving through space. One of the animation principles that's going to be the first one you use, and the first one, you go to add both, kind of the sense of, feeling that you're going for in the animation, as well as, a sense of kind of realism and weight and stuff like that, is going to be the principle of squash and stretch, which is shown in just the simple animation I've done of, just different various balls of various weights and kind of, density sort of bouncing. We have this light pink one, which is sort of a basketball. There's this darker one that is more of a bowling ball. As you can see throughout the animation, it does not deform very much. It will a little. The bouncing ball of this basketball more so deforms, and then this ping pong ball really deforms a lot because it's very small, it does not weigh a lot, and it's going very, very fast. Whereas this heavier object, this goes a bit slower, does not deform so much. And the principle of squash and stretch is just something you may use, perhaps if your character, puts their hand on a counter, or is pushing away from a counter, or just for various actions that they might do. This is one of the most basic and one of the first principles that you're going to use to just add a little zhuzh kind of to what you're doing.